Hey guys, welcome back to Electrical Car Repair Live. Our mission at the garage is to save you guys as much money as we can. That's why we make these absolutely free videos and we teach you how to fix your car for free. Let's go ahead and start on it now. In today's video guys, we're going to go ahead and show you how to test the knock sensor. Now this is a 2-wire sensor and those things are extremely hard to test, almost impossible. So when you get to the problem that you have a code for a knock sensor, most likely guys, I would recommend to buy one. We'll try to test this one, but it doesn't always work and it's not very accurate way to test them. Some old ones you can test them, but on newer vehicles it's almost impossible nowadays. So inside there is 2 wires. We're going to connect our alligator clips here now. Okay, so we can use the multimeter here. I know some people try to test them with an ohm meter, but ohm meter doesn't show anything on those. I tried it. Okay, now we'll turn the multimeter all the way to the lowest volts, DC. Okay, right here. We have all the tools and parts listed, guys, in the description of the video below. So we have 0 volts now. Okay, let me show you now. So if we hit the sensor with a metal thing, okay, it should produce some voltage. Okay, you can see like right now it's producing a little bit. If you tap on it a little bit harder, okay, it will be more. You can see it's kind of like a microphone for your engine, guys. It's listening if it's knocking or not. That's why it's called a knock sensor. But those are extremely hard to test. You can see when you tap on it, the voltage will go up and down. It will produce some voltage, but it's definitely not an accurate way to test them. But you can see that it works to some extent. Usually they either work or they don't. So that's it guys for today. Quick video. Hopefully it was helpful. Please subscribe and many more videos to come. Hopefully guys the video was helpful and we were able to save you money. We guys have more than 19,000 free repair videos on our YouTube channels. Check them out. We have videos that can save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. Thank you for watching and see you guys next time.